Okay, here we go. Oh, this is good people. Here we go. First day of March. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world, community, friends. But this is also being posted on my blog site and also on my Facebook page. Right. So this is what I'm doing. I've been working on this time. How much time for this, when to do that. On the schedule, right there, you can see each hour. Sometimes I don't put the hours. I just put down what I intend to do that day. So this is my intention. So in between them is Calegoing. It's totally possible. It's I write my one page of I love you, one page of grateful, one page of thank you. Powerful, good people. Raise your vibration and keep it there. Okay. So anyway, so this is right now it's the 8 o'clock hour. So it says online work and mind work. So online work could be anything from list building to working on videos. Mind work is like a recording I listen to. It's called Paraliminals, and it's like it's kind of like guided meditation plus self-development plus mental development all in one. You put your headsets on, you listen to the positive statements, and that's every 20 minutes. So I stop and do one of those and keep going. I have like around about 10 to go through a day, but it's extremely powerful, good people. Extremely powerful. But anyway, this is what we're talking about. So this is the list that I'm using. I'm in bed by 8 o'clock. Now my next list, let's see here. Do I have it up here? We're talking about energy, right? And I think with the vibration of this community, or the people I hang around, be around. This is David Hawkins. Let's see, can I put it up top here? There we go. I'm gonna put it on anyway. So here we go. David Hawkins' Mind Map of Consciousness. And I feel that this community that I'm in is, I believe, I think we at least around about 500 myself, because all the people are positive, listening and doing the work on themselves. It could be higher, but I know we're above 200. You want to be around people 200 or higher, make sure yourself stay at 200 or higher by choice. How do you feel? How do you resonate? And look at the words that normally go along with that level of consciousness. Very powerful, good people. So what else I'm doing? And that's it for this hour. I'll be working on the paraliminals. My next paraliminal. So anyway, so I want to put up here and say I love you all. It's totally possible to meet every single one of you on my Facebook page, YouTube, Instagram, blog site. It's totally possible for all of us to come through this season on this world far better, and it's amazing. So that's what I got to say today. And do your work on yourself, There's nothing out there. It's all inside of you. You're making it up. So make up a good one for yourself. Have a great day. Peace and prosperity to every single one of you. I'm telling you the truth. Focus on peace. Focus on prosperity. Focus on impacting yourself, impacting those around you, and those around them. Okay, let me go. Woo, that was good. Talk to you soon. Bye now. F10. Here we go.